guys, welcome back to Dish So Sweet. Today I am making oven grilled chicken along with some vegetables. You can have this for lunch or dinner and it's so easy to make. You will be amazed at the results you get from this. So guys, let's make some oven grilled chicken, shall we? So guys, right here I've got some chicken laps. I've got 4 of that. I have yellow bell pepper, red and green bell pepper. I have some Irish potato here. I've got some chopped tomatoes, crushed garlic, some barbecue sauce, sliced onions. I've got some Cameroon pepper and salt here, olive oil and grounded pepper. So I'll start by mixing up my veggies, the potatoes, then the onions, tomatoes, the bell peppers. I'm going to mix this all up, give it a good stir. Now I'm just going to divide the remaining ingredients into 2 parts, which one half goes into the veggies. First I'll go in with the oil, the grinded red pepper, a little bit of garlic, some barbecue sauce, some salt and Cameroon pepper. Now I'm going to stir this up nicely. So I'm going to set this aside and I'll prepare my chicken. So guys, the next thing I'm going to do right now is to prep my chicken. First I need to get my bowl and grab a spoon. I used half of all these ingredients for the veggies. Now I'm going to use all the remaining half for the rub. So first I'm going to start with the garlic, my grinded red bell pepper, Cameroon pepper and salt, olive oil and some barbecue sauce. I'll give it a good stir. So next I'm going to work this into my chicken. I'll grab a brush. I'll simply apply this on the chicken. Guys, you want to make sure you apply this as evenly as possible. So guys, I'm going to place this in the refrigerator for about 30 to 40 minutes and our chicken should be ready to go in the grill. But you can also marinate in the refrigerator for longer, say 2 to 3 hours or overnight if you have the time. So guys, I'll be right back. So next I'm going to transfer half of my veggies into my baking tray. Then I'm going to place my marinated chicken on top of the veggies. So I'm going to place this in my oven for about 1 hour, but I'm going to be checking by 45 minutes just to make sure. If it's cooked through by then I'm going to be removing it, but if it is not, of course I'm going to let it cook till an hour. So guys, it's about 55 minutes and I already checked and confirmed that my chicken is ready, so I'm going to get it out. So guys, as you can see, our chicken and veggies is ready. There you have it guys, our roasted chicken and veggies. I hope you get to give this a try. If you do, do make sure you tag us at dish sauce.